The camera industry is experiencing a seismic shift right now, and if you are planning to buy a cinema camera in 2026, you need to freeze your credit card immediately. The long-awaited successor to the most popular indie filmmaking, camera of the decade has just had its deepest secrets leaked. We are talking about the highly anticipated Sony FX3 Mark II. Massive leaks, including official international certifications under the registration code WW679476, have completely blown the lid off Sony's closely guarded pipeline. What we are looking at is not just a minor refresh. We are looking at a revolutionary leap in sensor technology, frame rates that will make your current rig look ancient, and Hollywood-level audio features packed into a ridiculously compact body. But there is a massive catch regarding the sensor. Resolution that has the entire filmmaking community divided right now, and you need to understand exactly what Sony is doing before you decide to upgrade. Stick with me until the very end, because the pricing strategy and the confirmed release window might actually force you to rethink your entire gear ecosystem. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we slice through the industry noise to bring you the raw, unfiltered truth about the tech that actually matters. Let us dive straight into the absolute monster that is the Sony FX3 Mark II. To understand why the FX3 Mark II is sending shockwaves through the industry, we have to talk about the absolute heart of this new beast, the sensor. For months, the rumor mill was convinced that Sony was going to drop a 33-megapixel sensor into this camera, something similar to what we see in their hybrid lineup. However, the latest and most credible leaks from reliable insiders point to something far more strategic and purpose-built for cinematography. Sony is testing a brand new 16-megapixel partially stacked full-frame CMOS sensor specifically engineered for the FX3 Mark II. Before you start complaining about the drop in megapixel count compared to modern hybrid cameras, you have to look at the undeniable genius behind this decision. A 16-megapixel sensor offers a dramatically larger pixel pitch. We are talking about individual pixels measuring around 7.2 micrometers. The original FX3 was already legendary for seeing in the dark, but this new partially stacked sensor is going to offer completely absurd dual-base ISO performance, utilizing dual conversion gain HDR technology to capture dynamic range that punches way above its weight class. You will get footage that retains immaculate shadow detail and pristine highlights, even in the most unforgiving lighting conditions. This is exactly what U.S. indie filmmakers and premium commercial shooters have been begging for, prioritizing absolute image fidelity and low-light performance over an arbitrary megapixel race. The benefits of this 16-megapixel partially stacked architecture go far beyond just dynamic range. We absolutely need to talk about readout speeds and rolling shutter, because this is where the FX3 Mark II completely obliterates its predecessor. The partial stacking technology allows the sensor to process data at lightning-fast speeds. The original FX3, while amazing, still suffered from noticeable rolling shutter skew when whipping the camera around or capturing fast-moving action. The Mark II is rumored to virtually eliminate rolling shutter artifacts. You can pan, tilt, and track high-speed subjects without your footage looking like a wobbly, gelatinous mess. Prepare to have your mind blown, because the Sony FX3 Mark II is heavily rumored to push 4K recording up to a buttery smooth 240 frames per second. We are not talking about line-skipped, heavily cropped, muddy high-speed footage. We are talking about high-fidelity sensor readout oversampled down to a pristine 4K image at 240 frames per second. Imagine being able to slow down your 4K footage by 10 times on a 24 frame per second timeline, maintaining absolute peak sharpness and color depth. This feature alone is going to make the FX3 Mark II a mandatory upgrade for commercial videographers, wedding filmmakers, and music video directors who rely on epic slow motion to tell their stories. Beyond the raw frame rates, there is another highly anticipated feature that is poised to change your post-production workflow forever. The rumors are strongly pointing towards the inclusion of open gate recording. In today's digital landscape, where commercial clients constantly demand deliverables for horizontal YouTube displays, vertical Instagram reels, and square Facebook ads, Open Gate is not just a luxury, it is an absolute necessity. With the FX3 Mark II, you will be able to capture everything the lens sees, lock in your shot, and easily crop for different aspect ratios without sacrificing precious resolution. This flexibility is going to save you hours of headaches in the editing bay and make your productions infinitely more valuable to high-paying clients. Furthermore, expect advanced focus breathing compensation and programmable cinematic focus pulls directly from the touchscreen, allowing solo operators to achieve Hollywood-style focus racks effortlessly. Now, let us talk about the autofocus, because Sony has always held the absolute crown in this particular department. The FX3 Mark II is going to integrate Sony's latest dedicated AI processing unit. This is deep learning technology that analyzes human poses, eye movement, and object trajectories in real time. We are talking about an advanced 120 frames per second compatible phase detection autofocus system that uses every single pixel on that new 16-megapixel sensor. The AI cinematic autofocus will lock onto your subject's eye, and even if they turn completely away from the camera, put on sunglasses, or walk behind an obstacle, the camera will instinctively know where their head and body are and keep the focal plane locked dead on. Speaking of Hollywood-level features, we absolutely must address the audio upgrades coming to the Mark II. Audio is often the most neglected part of a camera update, but Sony is taking it seriously. Industry leaks suggest the FX3 Mark II will support internal 32-bit floating point audio recording. With 32-bit float, clipping is essentially a thing of the past. You can recover whispered dialogue and deafening explosions in the exact same audio track during post-production just by lowering the gain. No more obsessively riding audio levels while trying to frame a complex shot. Couple that with a rumored 6 GHz wireless timecode synchronization feature, and you have a camera that seamlessly integrates into large, multi-camera professional sets without needing a mess of cables. Of course, all of these massive data rates and high-speed processing require serious thermal management. The Mark II is expected to feature a completely redesigned, highly efficient thermal dissipation system. The chassis might be ever so slightly thicker than the original to accommodate larger heat sinks and a more powerful, yet whisper-quiet, active cooling fan. This means you can record that incredibly demanding 4K 240 frames per second footage internally for hours on end without a single overheating warning ruining your shoot in the scorching summer sun. Now, we need to address the elephant in the room: the exact release date and the price. Based on the international certification filings under the code WW679476, the FX3 Mark II is officially ready for mass production. With competitors gearing up their own releases right now in May 2026, Sony's announcement window is imminent. As for the price, leaked data suggests the FX3 Mark II will launch somewhere between $3,800 and $4,200. When you consider that it essentially offers the performance of a high-end cinema camera that would have cost $15,000 just 5 years ago, the value proposition for working professionals is absolutely undeniable. The competition is fierce, but Sony is clearly tired of playing nice. They are about to drop a nuclear bomb on the camera market. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today at TapTech. Keep creating, keep pushing your limits, and I will see you next time.